These are the WeatherTech floor mats for the 2026 Tesla Model Y. This is the driver's side floor mat right here. You can see it's a direct fit. It just fits in here so nicely. It's molded right to the sides, and there's a lot of different floor mat options for the Tesla Model Y that I saw online, but I've had WeatherTech for other vehicles, and this was definitely the right idea, the right decision to put these in here. Really nice fit. They come really nice and clean, and just like all WeatherTech, they have the little spikes at the bottom to make sure they sit properly, but overall, very happy with these. It keeps the dirt out and everything. No issues with them at all. I got the front and the back set. They all fit in here really nicely, and definitely very pleased that WeatherTech is a great product. If you're thinking about getting floor mats, this is definitely the premium company to go with. They make really good fits. Never had any issues with them. These hold up a lot of times for a long time. Very easy to clean. Get these out and clean them. It's easy to vacuum in here, but overall, very pleased with it. So if you're looking for new floor mats for the 2026 Tesla Model Y, absolutely check these out.